back to another video, Only Hondas TV. So today I got something a little different for you guys. This is just the BMB content of just me this weekend. So you're just going to see the foreman hit the holes and all the different stuff like that. Let me know if you guys like these kind of videos and just not everybody. I'm going to keep doing the everybody videos and stuff like that, where I film everybody at the park and get the whole content and everything like that. But I think I'm also going to start producing just videos of just the foreman. And if you guys don't know, if you're keeping up with me on TikTok, I sold my silverbacks yesterday. I'm actually fixing to go pick up a new set of wheels and tires for them right now. It's going to look really good once I get them on there. So I'm super excited about that. Yeah, and we figured out that we're going to go to Boggs March 6th through the 9th for King of the Deep's Bounty Haul Series. Now, Cole's already entered his bike in the Bounty Haul Series, and I was going to enter my bike in the Bounty Haul Series, but then I sold my silverbacks. So I think I'm still going to enter it in the Bounty Haul Series, but I got to figure out what wheels and tires I'm going to run. If I still have the ones that I'm going to buy today, I can't enter it because they're too big. It's not going to work out. But we'll see how that plays out. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Y'all stay tuned to the end. Silverbacks, I'm gonna crawl out the sideways. Neutral's not a good gear. That man JD got the loudest P5 I've ever heard. He might give everybody a run for the loudest P5. If you got a listen, if you got a P5 louder than that, let me know.
Keep going left. Keep going left. Get off in the rut with it. Push it over.
So if you stayed to the end of the video, I know you're probably thinking, wow, that guy doesn't really hit anything when he goes to the park. And that's not correct at all. You just ask people that I ride with. I didn't record a whole bunch Saturday because we really only rode the four-wheeler Saturday. And then that night we didn't really ride a whole bunch because it got real cold. And I didn't really get to record a whole bunch that night because a lot of my stuff was dead and everything like that. Just kept running into a lot of complications. But we did pick up some new tires for the four-wheeler. These are 35 by 20s, and y'all are sitting there going, how are you fixing to do that? You don't have a lift, you don't have gear reduction, you don't have portals, you don't have how are you going to do that? And I'm just going to tell you to stay tuned. That's all I know to tell you. We're going to figure out how to do this together because I don't really know how I'm going to do it yet. I've got a couple ideas, and I'm going to see which ones I throw together first. So y'all stay tuned with us. I appreciate y'all coming back for another video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your friends about it. Only Hondas TV.